Tonight is Araiyan's 18-month-old birthday, and he just learned how to push his truck from sitting on top of it. Whoa, careful, careful. Well, that's not what he learned how to do, but apparently he's learning a new trick. Who's 18 months young today? Araiyan is. Are you going to get in it and show us how to ride it? Let's see. Do your thing where you back up. Oh, good boy. That's what you just learned how to do a couple minutes ago. This is his first time ever pushing himself on anything. The very beginnings of riding a bike. Pushing forward or going backwards.